See this, guys, how people are actually earning $59 every single day. People from United States, how they are earning, and every single second how people are actually earning $2, $3, $16 every single day, how they are earning passively. Do you want to know and do leverage part? Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can generate a good amount of and handsome amount of money by just following some simple steps. Okay. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just earning from YouTube, guys. YouTube videos. You do not have to create YouTube videos, you do not have to watch videos, you just need to share those videos to the intended audience and you are getting paid for that. Do you want to know how we can? Just follow along this video. Okay, so this is a advertisement website, guys. Okay, which will hold advertisement, which will show advertisement by shortening links. So this website will help you to generate income. So let me just give you the payment proof. Okay, payout rates. I just need to show you. You can see this, guys. So these are the payment proofs. You can see this. Okay, if you just look deep dive how people are actually earning, you can see this: $59, $23, $42, $26. Guys, they are actually earning good amount of money. You can see this. Okay, how they are doing so much. Just have some patience and I'll tell you step by step what to do, what steps to endeavor while doing money. Okay, while earning money. Okay, so for that what you need to do first, guys, is to first register. Okay, so just click on this join now button. Okay, and you can do one thing, guys. You just need to sign up with your Google account and it will automatically do the registration part for you. Okay, so make sure that you just click on this and in the next step I'll show you what is your dashboard is looking like. Okay, agrees to the terms and policies, or you can type manually as well. Okay, you can write your name, password, repassword. Okay, and then you need to do the verification, or the best way is to just sign up with Google. Okay, so do it quickly. Okay, so after sign up you can see this, guys. This is my dashboard. You can see this is my dashboard, and what I can do, guys, here is to just shorten links. Okay, this is my website. So for that you just need to do some account settings. Okay, just come up here in this account settings. Okay, this account. Okay, you just need to set up your address. Okay, and all your personal details. Okay, password as well, because guys I have not set up password till now because I'm just signing up with Google. Okay, so make sure that you did it, everything. Okay, so now what we need to do, guys. Okay, now what we need to do is to just first share the link of YouTube. Okay, so for that what you need to do, just come up here in this youtube.com and guys you just need to type here health. Okay, health tips. Okay, you just need to type health tips. So you can see this, guys, there are lots and lots of videos that will help you to generate income. Okay, so what you can do, guys, is to just open a new link. Okay, open a new link. Okay, just copy this. Okay, just you need to copy this. Okay, I'm not opening this thing, guys, because due to some copyright issue it will get banned. Okay, so just control V and just click on this shrink. Okay, so guys, this is a unique link that will help you to generate traffic. So where we can get the traffic? Okay, have you seen? So we are using for the traffic, guys, Pinterest. Okay, so I have already created a dedicated video how to create a business account on Pinterest. So if you have not watched it, I just do recommend to watch it. Okay, so just click on this create and create pin. Okay, and what you need to do, guys, is to just type here health tips to stay active. Okay, whatever tagline you need to give, you can give. Okay, you can just give some description about these kind of things. Okay, so you can give your own description, guys, because it's very important to give in order to do the SEO part, search engine optimization. You need to do health tips to stay active and healthy. Okay, and give your description link. Okay, oh, I have not given. Wait a second. So this is what you need to just copy this, okay, and you just need to paste it. Okay, so this is my link, guys. Okay, this is my link. Okay, so what I need to do right now is to give the image. So for the image part, what you can do, guys, is to just come up here in this Google and just type health. Okay, and just click on this images. Okay, just images, and you can select whatever particular. Before that, guys, just click on this tools button and just click on this usage rights and create commercial and other licenses. Okay, or we can say that creative common licenses. Okay, you need to select it. Okay, so you can see this World Health Day. No, it's not. Select a particular. You can see this is a particular health. Okay, save it. Okay, I have saved it. Okay, and just family. Okay, so this is a image that you can see. Okay, so what you can do, guys, is to just publish. Okay, just publish it. Before that, what you need to select is health. Okay, on health you can publish it, and you can see this. That's it, guys. Okay, this is the only pin, and there is no pin. You can see this, guys, health related. You can see this. There are lots and lots of people who are actually generating traffic from this. Okay, so you can also use these kind of things, guys, in order to generate traffic, in order to stay have a message that please stay active. Okay, use these kind of things. Okay, that's the best way to do it. Okay, you can use Pixabay as well. In order to generate the traffic, you can use it. Okay, from YouTube you can earn good amount of money. As I have already shown you the payout rate, guys, it's absolutely amazing. Okay, so you just need to spend more time on these kind of things. Okay, and generate a lot of income. Okay, it's part-time passive income. Okay, part-time you can do these works, and what you can able to understand from this is you just need to first analyze things. Okay, you just need to first analyze things, and then you can steep your shoes inside it, so that, guys, there is no hassle and no haywire situation, because people are actually asking me a question that, sir, we are not getting paid. Guys, have some consistency. If you are doing regularly on regular basis, one day your links will getting paid you more than what you expect. Okay, just have some consistency. Okay, generate a good amount of audience, guys. If you don't believe that, just come up here in the SimilarWeb. Okay, and you just need to type Pinterest. Okay, active users are 1 billion, guys. Okay, Pinterest you just need to type. Okay, what you need to type? Pinterest. Okay, you just need to type Pinterest, and you can see this, guys, 1 billion plus people are actually there. Okay, and most of the people are from United States. You can see this, 43% people are from United States. So the payout rate is more. Okay, the payout rate is more, so it's good for you, guys. Payout rate is more, so it's good for you, and it will generate a passive income for you as a fresher, or even students can earn money from this. Okay, they can do their, after studies, they can spend their time on these kind of stuffs and can earn and generate a handsome amount of income from this. Okay, so I hope you like this video, guys. Okay, just you need to do one thing, guys. Just need to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So, guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content, and I've helped you guys to come out from your comfort zone and earn money. Okay, guys, these kind of things will help you in the long run. Okay, because your part-time income, and guys, if you really want to become a financial free person, okay, just follow along these videos that I have regularly posted. Subscribe it and share it to each and every person, guys. If you are helping others, then eventually it will help you to generate income. Okay, till then, guys, happy earning.